सॉरी मैं रूम मिस में थोड़ा गाइस मैं ऐसे चल रहा क्योंकि बहुत धूप है और ऐसे Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. A humble request that please watch this video till the end because you all know that every video that I make will add some value to your life. Okay, so it's never going to, I'm always going to make such videos that you're never going to waste time ever. Is now I need your support. Now what is the support for? If you open my YouTube channel, you will see that my channel has very less views. Okay, less views and subscribers also. See, subscribers I don't care because subscribers are something that are just numbers for me. So I don't care about subscribers. What I care is about the views. Now guys, if you ensure that I have enough views, actually this is not for me, this is for you. I'll explain you why. See, now I'm on this international run kind of a thing where I will be living in different countries starting from Dubai, UAE, and then I'll be relocating to different places, and I want to share each and everything with you. Now how do I need your support? Your support to me needs to come in the form of likes, in the form of comments, in the form of views. I don't care about subscribers because that is just number for me. Now why am I telling this, guys? See, I would not even care about the views. Let me be very honest, because I know the people who like me, who love me, and even I make videos for people whom I love, and the vlogs that I make is to educate you and to preserve memories, because I know photographs are not enough to capture everything. Is why I need this help is because when I'm going somewhere, this has happened with me like 1 year, 2 years back when I was close to, I think 800 or 900 subscribers. So guys, what exactly happened was, there was a very beautiful hotel in Singapore. Okay, now the thing is that I did not have a room over there, but I wanted you guys, like my subscribers, my extended family, to have a look at the hotel. Now they did not allow me. I told them that I am a YouTuber. Okay, now when I told them I'm a YouTuber, they got excited. Now when I showed them that I have 800 subscribers, they were like a bit this way. They were a bit upset. Not upset, I don't know, they had expected me to be something great, and it was wrong on my part to call myself a YouTuber, and I still can't call myself a YouTuber. I just make videos on YouTube. That does not make me a YouTuber. So then also they said okay, then they checked my views. Okay, and when they saw my views, the views were very less in when compared to the number of subscribers I had. Then that point of time they told me that sir, the hotel right now is under renovation, would you be able to come tomorrow? They told all this to me after they saw my YouTube statistics. Now guys, what I'm trying to tell you here is, if you do not support me, I will not be able to shoot everything for you. Now because see, if I go to Dubai, okay, I will be on an apartment hunt where I'm gonna shoot like this. Okay, I'm gonna take this and shoot so many videos for you. But if the broker or anyone tells me no, you're not allowed to shoot, now if I show them that I have so many views, I have so many subscribers, I have so many likes, I have so many comments, they would want their thing to be promoted on my YouTube channel. Okay, they want that more and more people get to see it. They won't stop me then. And this is what I want, guys. I want you to see every part of the world, okay? Because from the top, everybody is showing you Switzerland, Singapore, UK, US, Canada, but I want you to see the core of everything. Apartments, local people, how they live. And this is only going to happen if you support me. Now, if you give me a substantial viewership, okay, if you watch my videos, if you share, if you give me some kind of how do I say, some amount of numbers, okay, that makes the other person believe that no, if I am going to cover that place, I am going to add some value to their place as well. You get my point? Here is where I need your help, guys. Now, what you have to do is just like every video you see, try to share, okay? I'm not saying share this video, because you can share this video because this will give a boost to my channel, or other videos that you see on my channel. You can just, if you see a family vlog that I've shot, you think your family is going to enjoy it, just send it to them. I've made a video on, say, Thailand tourism, Thailand for family. If your family is planning a trip to Thailand, just send that video to them. So this is how you can help me expand my viewership, okay? Once my expansion is done, the base has expanded, they will not have a problem in with me covering their place. Otherwise, they'll think that, yeah, why do I let him shoot this place? He might ruin the privacy, and he'll say that my WhatsApp status has more views than views on your videos, right? So this is the thing, guys. Otherwise, see, I'm not saying that I'm very disheartened. I'm not disheartened, because I love the way you guys support me on Instagram, on YouTube, the way you tell me that you like my videos and you like watching me at least once a day. So all these things, positive things, obviously make me feel happy. But at the same time, guys, sometimes I feel depressed when I can't show you a few places, just because I don't have that subscriber base or that views base, okay? This is how you can support me, guys. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll be making more and more informative video for you. And as of now, I think 14th June is the date when UAE is going to lift the ban. And then maybe I'll show you some crazy things in Dubai. Thank you so much, guys. Namaskar. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you so much.